Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. So at the moment we're tracking on the silver chart a possible 5-wave move to the upside. For me, it's not clearly 5 waves yet. I will explain in this video why. And first of all, it is possible that a substantial low formed here in August, early in August. Yeah. So a quick reminder: the idea is that a large A wave, in a larger diagonal pattern to the upside, formed here in May. Then we have a 3-wave pullback. That could be all of wave B, A, B, C. And therefore we are watching for the first 5-wave move up from the low to get an indication if the next larger rally in circle wave C has started to the upside. I am quite bullish on silver overall. That hasn't given us very, very clear signals that this correction is over yet. Also, that rally has some problems. So I'm only highlighting it with a question mark whether a low is already in. Maybe we need another, maybe we need another test of support, but that's just a bigger picture. I know a lot of you are interested in the micro counts. Don't have much time today, but wanted to take a look at the micro count with you. And the idea is pretty much unchanged, that we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3. So we have 3 waves up. Then in the last video we talked about here a possible wave 4 and then a wave 5. Well, it did form a new high on Monday, but it looks more like 3-wave move up to me. If anybody watched the last video, it looked to me as if this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, one more high. Didn't give us that one more high, which means this is a 3-wave move up. I cannot count clear 5 waves up. That means I would rather say that wave 4 is still unfolding. That would be my preferred option, purely based on the based on the situation that the rally here was only in 3 waves, and I therefore call it a B wave in wave 4. So we might be dealing with a flat correction here. Yeah, so this is one thesis. This is one idea I have. And in this case, the wave 4 might go a little bit lower. What would be support in this case? Ideally, I'd like to see it hold the 50% retracement. The 2 main fib levels here for a wave 4 are 28.87 and 28.54. So ideally we're holding it. Yeah? Looking at the microstructure, however, it might be that it needs another 4-5 pattern. So if this is wave C to the downside of wave 4, then in the wave C, I'd like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would never rely on the last 4-5 pattern. I mean, don't just think it has to happen. If the wave 4 is a WXY structure, it might only need 3 waves down. So I cannot rule out that this is the last low, because this 3rd wave down comes close to completion. I mean, this looks pretty much complete. Yeah, maybe a few downside squiggles, but we might see a rally soon, or an attempt at least. And I can add for you resistance to the chart. So standard resistance is between 29.44 and 29.56. All that means is if the price turns around now, breaks above 29.56, that would be an indication that wave 5 has started. Okay, I cannot fully rule out that all 5 waves are completed. That would be my alternative. So if the price does not respect this Fibonacci support zone, which it should do if it's a wave 4, then I have to assume that we are already in a larger wave 2. Yeah, but we won't know that until the price breaks below 28.54. At the moment, the trend is down anyway from the top locally, but a break below 28.54 would indicate that this was likely a 5-wave move up, but it looks more like 3 waves to me. I know visually you might see 5 waves, but that's where we then also have to look into the microstructures and so on. So basically 2 main levels at the moment: 28.54 to the downside, which distinguishes the white count, a wave 4 pullback from a larger correction like a wave 2, and a the 29.56 level to the upside, which would indicate the start of wave 5. I hope that kind of clarifies it. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular updates about stocks, feel free to check out these stocks and S&P 500 service. You'll find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.